In this video, I will test the worst Rubik's Cube ever. The first test, it will be the speed of the cubes, and I will compare with a normal cube. Let's compare. This cube has pretty good speed. It's not the best, but you can see it can turn okay. Now let's see the worst cube. Oh my gosh! Failed completely. Let's go to the next test. The next test it will be the corner cutting. You can see this move. You can see in the line I can move really easily. Now I will test with the worst Rubik's Cube. Nothing. You can see. Oh man. It popped again. Oh, it's just so bad. Let's move to the next. Now I will try to make the checkerboard pattern on these two cubes. Let's do with this cube. You can see it's really easy and beautiful. Now I will try with the worst Rubik's Cube. I expect to explode. Oh, it worked. Okay. The worst. Oh, the corner cutting of this cube is so bad. The speed. It's really bad, guys. Oh. Okay, it failed. Let's move to the final test. The final test. Which cube pops more? Let's try to pop this cube. Man, it's impossible to pop a normal cube. Like, even if you try to pop, just don't. Now let's try with the worst Rubik's Cube. Okay, it catches a lot and it popped. Okay, at least one test, the worst Rubik's Cube passed. If you have a Rubik's Cube, comment below. I want to know if your cube is good like the normal or the worst. And subscribe my channel to help me improve even more and do this content for you. Now, take care.